Unveiling the Mystery. Understanding smoke and mirrors. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase, smoke and mirrors. This expression is commonly used, but what does it really mean? Let's uncover its meaning together and explore how it's used in everyday language. Smoke and mirrors originates from the world of magic and illusions. Magicians often use smoke and mirrors to create illusions, deceiving the audience into seeing something that's not really there. This concept has extended into everyday language to describe situations where reality is being obscured or distorted. It implies that what you're seeing or being told is not the whole truth. In contemporary language, smoke and mirrors is often used to describe deceptive or misleading tactics. For example, a politician might be accused of using smoke and mirrors to avoid answering a difficult question directly. A company might use smoke and mirrors in advertising to exaggerate the benefits of a product. In everyday conversation, when someone feels like they're being tricked or misled, they might say, "This is all just smoke and mirrors." To help you use this phrase correctly, let's look at some sentence examples. The budget report was just smoke and mirrors. It didn't reveal the company's real financial issues. He used smoke and mirrors to convince them, but I knew there was no substance to his claims. The magician's act was full of smoke and mirrors, leaving the audience in awe. There are other phrases in English that convey a similar meaning to smoke and mirrors. These include pulling the wool over someone's eyes to deceive or mislead someone. A red herring, something that distracts attention from the real issue. We hope this video has shed light on the fascinating phrase, smoke and mirrors. It's a vivid expression that paints a picture of illusion and deception, often used in both formal and informal contexts. Remember, English is full of such colorful phrases that make the language rich and interesting. Keep learning, and you'll soon master them all. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.